Alright, we are at the Drury Inn, Disney Springs, and this is a double queen suite. We just got in, all day traveling, went to Epcot for a few things, opening weekend Flower and Gardens, and this is where we're staying at this weekend for the Tron preview. So anyways, quick room tour. This place is massive. Massive. So this is like the entry area. Pull out couch, mini fridge, microwave, coffee machine, sink, TV, very spacious. And next we're into the bathroom. There's the commode. Nice privacy, it's sealed off and everything. Double sink. Bathtub and shower. This is cool. It's a huge shower. Shower without a door. Look how huge this bathroom is. Very nice looking. Got some artwork on the walls for Orlando. A little hallway area. And into the bedroom. So here's the double queens. Another TV, luggage area, desk. We got a dresser. I don't think the dresser comes out, or the sides come out. It's just the drawers. Unless I can't figure it out. Which could totally happen. And I'll get to the view with the lights out. That kind of looks like Disney Springs artwork. Cool mirror, like hidden closet, in the wall safe, ironing board, extra linens, coat rack. Pretty cool. It's tucked away. Let's see if we can make it dark. Oh, close the door. So we are staying on the 12th floor. And you actually get a pretty good view of what the pool area looks like. Pretty good sized pool, hot tub, kids play area, outdoor patio area. It's actually like a fairly, I think, new remodeled Drury Inn. It's pretty nice. Actually, it's really nice. The lobby is awesome. Anyways, here's a view. It's Disney Springs. You can see the balloon is up. You can see Epcot way out there. Oh, there's the Contemporary. And Magic Kingdom. See those lights way off in the distance. It's really cool. And that's probably, should be able to see Wilderness Lodge from here, I would think. Anyways, yeah, it's a really nice view of Disney Springs. You know, we're not that far from it. We're on Hotel Boulevard. This is like on the other side of this pond is Disney Springs, like the waterway for it. So I might roll in a view of the daytime to see what it looks like. Might not. We'll see how much time we have. We're just here for the weekend. At least Parker and I are. So we'll see. Probably not going to do a whole lot of exploring of the hotel just because we don't have a whole lot of time. But we want to do this room tour as a really good option if you're kind of, I don't know, maybe you want more of like a hotel, but you don't want necessarily better be at a resort, or if you have points at Drury Inn and you want to be at Disney but use Drury Inn points. What other? There's a shuttle that goes from here to the parks that you have to schedule, and you get in a half an hour early. It's a good neighbor hotel. You can't do Genie Plus at the same time as everybody else, so it's not like full-fledged on-site resort, but there are some perks to staying here. But it's a economical option, and it's definitely get some bang for your buck. So Hope you enjoyed this quick room tour. See you next time.